Headset tech has come a long way in recent years, with the best Bluetooth motorcycle intercoms offering a dizzying array of settings and features. Here you will find the best options available for Bluetooth headsets. Let's go! Number 1, Most Popular. Cardo PACKTALK Slim Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication System. With the inclusion of the dynamic mesh technology, you can talk with up to 15 riders in the intercom group within a 5-mile range. Dynamic mesh is impressive as it increases the overall intercom range and makes auto-reconnect a thing. The 40mm JBL speakers ensure that the sound quality is one of the best on the market, with deep bass support. Not to mention the advanced noise control implemented in the microphone. A bonus is the ability to share music with participants in the intercom. The hands-free experience is the best in the Bluetooth headset market, thanks to the responsive natural voice control system. Number 2. Sena 20S EVO01 Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. Using most of the Bluetooth 4.0 technology, you can connect the 20S EVO to a maximum of 7 different headsets. Once you pair with other riders, the intercom range will be 1-2 miles. The sound quality of the bass speakers is decent, with a reasonable balance between bass and treble. There is also an advanced noise control capability that can provide you with ambient sounds outside your helmet. Like other Sena devices, you can use the robust voice control system for a hands-free experience. The battery life is impressive, providing you with 13 hours of talk time. Number 3. LEXIN 1PC LX FT4 1-4 Rider Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. With a simple pairing process to your smartphone or other Bluetooth headsets, you will be set up in a matter of minutes. The intercom connection range is 0-62 miles that should provide a decent intercom experience for a tight-knitted group of riders. The sound quality could be better though, as there is a high emphasis on treble and almost no bass with the stock speakers. They also don't feature noise cancellation. This motorcycle Bluetooth headset doesn't feature a dedicated voice command system, but you can always use a voice assistant from your smartphone for these. Number 4. FreedConn Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth Intercom Kit. First of all, while the design may resemble an MP3 player, the build quality is top-notch, with waterproof and dustproof qualities. The battery will provide 8 hours of talk time, while the charging will take you 2.5 hours. Its intercom is designed with a pair of riders in mind. The range is 0-5 miles, which is not a lot. But if you take into consideration how a pair of riders might ride, it makes sense. The audio experience is decent, with big dips to the audio quality once you ride above 50 miles per hour. Number 5. FODSPORTS Motorcycle Bluetooth Intercom. From the 2-kilometer intercom range and high device compatibility to amazing sound quality that is close to Cardo quality, it is a valuable and affordable option. First of all, it features no dedicated voice command system like most Cardo and Sena headsets have. Still, you can connect this Bluetooth headset to your smartphone and use its dedicated voice assistant. Still, the very durable build and strong battery come in handy with the robust software capabilities of this Bluetooth headset. A group of 8 riders can connect to the intercom, and even if they get out of range, there is a reconnect technology at play here. Number 6. Sena 30K01 Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. If the most important thing to you in a motorcycle Bluetooth headset is the intercom connection range and stability, the most recent outing from Sena will scratch that itch. It offers a maximum intercom range of 5 miles, supporting an unlimited number of riders. The catch is that 6 riders can talk simultaneously, and the range between individual riders is 1-2 miles. If someone gets out of that range, the riders can reconnect if they come back in range, with no need to reconnect manually. Number 7. Cardo Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication System Headset. It offers a maximum intercom range of 5 miles, supporting an unlimited number of riders. The catch is that 6 riders can talk simultaneously, and the range between individual riders is 1-2 miles. There is also an implemented voice command system that Cardo is known for. Even though this Bluetooth headset doesn't use the updated JBL speakers, the sound quality on Cardo FreedConn Plus is impressive. It will provide all the deep sounds that audiophiles crave. The sound system also has a dynamic volume adjustment feature that works quite well when in noisy areas. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.